Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you how to use Golfshot app on your mobile device. So this app can be helpful if you want to track your shots, check distances, keep score, and review your golf stats all in one place. So let's go ahead and get started. So the first thing you need to do here is to download the app from your app store, search for Golfshot, and make sure you install the correct app. So in this example, it is the one by Golf Genius Mobile. So once the app is installed, open it up and create your account. You can sign in with Google or you can choose another email option if you prefer. After that, follow the prompts until you reach the main home screen. And when you get to the home screen, the app may ask for a few permissions. If any prompts appear, go ahead and allow them as needed. After that, tap Start Round and you may see a pop-up for a free trial plan, but if you do not want that, just close it by tapping the X. Next, the app will ask to use your location. Choose while using the app so it can search for golf courses near you. So once nearby course appears, select the course that you want to use. After choosing a course, you can adjust a few round settings before you begin. So for example, you can change the tee selection by tapping the tee option, such as gold or blue, and then choose the one that you want to play. You can also add golfers if needed. So in the round options, you may also turn on features like net scores and stroke play scoring before starting. And when everything looks good, tap Start Round. After that, the app takes you to the first hole. You will see the hole details such as the par and yardage. To tap into the hole to open more options. So on that screen, you can check the hole preview or use the tracking feature. If you tap preview, you can look at the whole layout. So some extra preview tools may require the pro version. So if that appears, that is the part of the upgrade option. So to record a shot, tap track, then go to your ball, let the app calculate shot distance, and tap at my ball. After that, tap the pencil icon to enter round details. So this is where you can add your scores, see the par, enter putts, choose the tee club that you use, and record things like fairway hits, sand shots, or penalties. Once you finish entering the details, tap save. And when you are done with that hole, go back and tap holes, then select the next hole and repeat the same steps as you continue through the round. You can keep doing this all the way through hole 18. After the round, you can return to the home screen and scroll down to review your information. And then you may see sections for statistics and features like strokes gained. If you tap on that, the app explains that strokes gained is a way to measure performance by comparing your play to average pro players. Some of these features may need the pro version to unlock. You can also view stats like fairways, and more information will start to appear after you save your rounds. The app builds your statistics from the scorecards you save, which makes it easier to review your performance over time. You may also see things like GIR, your best rounds, your last rounds, and your average to par. So for average to par, the app says at least 3 18-hole scores need to be saved before that number is shown. And those can come from a mix of 9-hole and 18-hole rounds. And at the bottom, tap courses if you want to explore more golf facilities. From there, you can look at nearby courses, recent ones, or browse other locations. And that's basically how to use the Golfshot app. Once you get used to layout, it becomes much easier to track your rounds, save your scores, and review your progress right from your phone. So thank you so much for watching. For more videos like this, hit the subscribe button and I'll see you on the next video.